Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll explore the design and logic of the Sniper Institutional Candles EA, built entirely using FXDreema with no coding required. This expert advisor is developed for identifying institutional candle patterns and executing trades in precise market conditions, especially during sideways or ranging periods where major liquidity sweeps tend to happen. It's a tool designed for more advanced strategy concepts, often inspired by smart money or institutional-style trading. How the EA works. The EA is divided into three main modules. 1. Sideways market detection. The EA first checks for price distance within a defined range, known as sideways pips. If price movement stays within this sideways zone, it then draws visual guidelines on the chart as a potential signal zone. 2. Institutional candle recognition. It scans for large bullish or bearish candles within a custom candle ID range, using parameters like big candle size. When both a candle pattern and the price zone align, the EA generates a buy or sell signal. 3. Object management and execution. Before placing new trades, all chart objects used for signal calculation are cleared. The EA then ensures that no existing trades are open before executing the next one, preventing trade overlap. All of these logic blocks are visual and customizable through FXDreema's no-code interface, making it flexible for strategy refinement. Customizable parameters include candle start and end ID, sideways range in pips, big candle size, SL and TP levels in pips, object cleanup and control logic. These inputs give you full control over how aggressive or conservative the strategy should behave on your chosen time frame and instrument. Important note before using: this EA is not plug and play. Please make sure to understand the logic and trading conditions, perform thorough 99.9% tick data backtests, assess risk exposure, and test on demo before live deployment. This is especially important for strategies that involve candle structure and range detection, as different brokers and liquidity conditions may produce different outcomes. Download or learn more about this EA at MQLrobot.com. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, subscribe for more no-code EA builds and smart trading strategies only here on MQLrobot EAS.